Hey, this is John Can with Cannon Associates, your fierce advocate. And if you're watching this video, you or your loved one are likely facing criminal charges in the state of Oklahoma. In this video, I want to address some of your fears, pain points, but also walk you through the process that you or your loved one will face during your criminal case. If you or your loved one is facing criminal charges in the state of Oklahoma, you likely have a number of common concerns. Fear of potential jail time or even prison, difficult fines, difficult probation, or other negative aspects that go along with probation in a criminal case. However, it's important to keep in mind that when you work with the right defense team, you can often avoid a number or all of these negative consequences in your case. When you or your family work with the right defense team, you can avoid a number of these consequences by starting your case off on the right foot. It's important to identify the right treatment options or plans that you can get into in the community to help you on the right path to resolving your case with a positive outcome. There's a number of resources available in the community, and depending on the case that you're facing, some or maybe all of these resources should be considered to help you avoid the negative consequences I spoke of earlier. As I said earlier, there's a course of action for almost any criminal case. And in the state of Oklahoma, you really have three options to consider. The first and most common option is to identify a treatment plan or a story in your case that I just spoke of. When you work with the right defense team, you can develop that plan and present it to the government and oftentimes resolve your case without jail time, without prison time, with probation terms that you and your family can live with and costs that can be minimized. Many cases can be resolved by agreement, by finding a middle ground between your position in the case and the government. Our team of fierce advocates do everything in our power to review the discovery, look at all the evidence in your case, and identify not only to you, but to the government problems in their case. Either it's a violation of your rights or some problem with the evidence the government may have. And oftentimes cases can be resolved by agreement, whether it's dismissal of certain charges, dismissal of your case as a whole, or reducing the consequences that you are facing. We'll never force you to take a plea deal in your case, but we always want to give you that option to consider. The next option in your case is to work out the case through the court, by giving the court the authority either through a diversion program, which there's a number of options for those in our courts, or by letting the judge, him or herself, decide the outcome of your case. This is typically called a blind plea. It is only the right option in a number of cases, but we'll work with you to help identify whether your case is the right option for this. Your third option in a criminal case is to fight. We are dedicated to fierce advocacy, and if you have been wrongfully charged or accused of a crime you did not commit, your only option may be to fight your case. In that circumstance, we will go through all the evidence with you, help to develop the narrative of your side of the story, and present your story to a jury. The government has the burden of, beyond a reasonable doubt, to a unanimous jury that you are guilty of the crimes that they have accused you of. We'll do everything in our power to fight your case, not only in court, but through motions addressing legal and factual issues that the government may be trying to get around in your case, and do everything in our power to fight for a great outcome for you. We hope this video has answered some of your common questions about the process you or your loved one may be facing, and walk you through the process of your criminal justice case. We look forward to answering your questions and, if we're the right fit, being your fierce advocate. We welcome you to reach out for a free confidential case evaluation and meet with our team today.